Hello, yeah, we are back again with the number six puzzle. The sixth puzzle, yes, of 7 in the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 29th, 2020. Yes, the first, no, yeah, Tectonic number 1. There are 2 tectonics left, and tectonic number 1 will be number 1647. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? Do we have any single box here? No, I cannot see any single boxes. Let me see. This area, yeah, one of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. We have a 4 there, so that box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then yeah. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. 2 boxes left here for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark them. 3 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are left in this area for the numbers 4 and 2. Let me mark them. 2 and 4. Triple box. 1, 2, and 3. The 3 is already filled in. We see here 2, so this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, so it must be a 5. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be a 4. Then see. Yeah. 5. These two boxes should be the 1 and the 5. Let me mark them. 1 and the 5. This box can not be 1 or 5. Can also not be a 3. Cannot be also not a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 2. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them. 3 and the 5. Then yeah. These two boxes in this area are reserved for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark them. Yes. Yeah. Let me think. Yeah. These two boxes should be the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. 1 and the 3. Those two boxes, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them. 1 and the 3. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 goes in these two boxes. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes in those two boxes. This box can be a 4, so the 4 goes in these two boxes. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere, yeah. These two boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. Well, I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 cannot be here, should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3 and this should be a 5. Alright. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. If this box is a 2, these 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this can be a 2. So it's not the solution, the 2. So it must be the 4. And this should be a 2. That means those 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be a 4. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, so definitely a 1. Then this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 4. These two should be the 3 and the 5. Let me mark them, 3 and the 5. It cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 there. That means those 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or could be there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in those 2 boxes. So it must be a 3 and this should be a 5. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So it must be the 1. Then this box is 4, 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 2. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. And this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. And I've eliminated the 1 because we have a pair 2 and a 5. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, definitely a 1. 2 and a 5 are left. That means this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 3 and this should be a 5. So this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be the 4. Then now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 there, so that box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1 because this box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be a 3, and this should be a 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 3 and a 5 are left. Let me mark them. 3 and a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These two boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box cannot be a 3 anymore, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Well, I need a 4 in one of those two boxes, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark them, 2 and a 5. Then 1 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Yeah. 3, 3, 3. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 5. Then 3, 5. Yeah, 3, 5 and a 1. 1, 3, and 2. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1 because this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 5. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.